Morning students, how are you all? I hope you are fine students. So don't go out, stay home and stay safe students. Okay. So have you watching my videos? Have you going with me? Please go. Why? Because now in these days you don't have textbooks also. Please be clear. So please listen the classes. Please watch the videos day by day. Okay. Day to day, please watch the videos so that you can be clear with our topics of our lessons. Okay. Okay, students. So yesterday we have completed our types of houses. So in the types of houses I have set you the 10 types of houses and I have set you the only one word answer so that you can remember very well. Have you learned that? And I have given you some homework, right? I have given you the homework to draw the houses and to color it. Have you done it? I have said you to imagine the houses based upon the types and draw it. Have you done it? I hope you will do. Why? Because it's very important so that you can remember very well. Okay. As we see yesterday the types of houses, our next topic is a clean house. Okay. A clean house. So how many of you people will work in your home? I need to keep your house clean. How many of you people will work in your home? I think that all of you. You will not help your mothers? Yeah, you will help in a very little way also. You will help. Giving your mother, your helping. So that is important. Okay, I hope you will do. So, a clean house. So what is clean? What is clean and neat? So every day, see if your room, think about your room only. If your room is very dirty, that means all the things will be fall down and it's very smell. If it is dirty, it will be very unpleasant. That means it will give a bad smell. Your room smells very bad. That is not good for you and you will feel something is disturbing you. You will feel like it will make a disturbance, okay? So keep your house clean and neat. Make yourself, your rooms and clean and neat, okay? Why? Because if that rooms or a house is not neat, it will give you some little disturbance. Okay, so why should we keep our house clean and neat? Why should we keep our house clean and neat? As we know, our house is not only, it's our house, it also house of an insects. You can see small insects or ants in your home now. Insects, yeah, you can see. So, insects will be there and you can see lizards, rats, okay, and some flies. You can see these are also in your houses. So lizards, ants, cockroaches, rats, these all you don't like it, no? And some people, you people are very small kids. So you will have scary, no? You are scared about those rats, lizards and flies, okay? So, you are also scared about that. And one thing children, lizards, rats and these cockroaches are our pets? No, these are not our pets. Pets are cats, dogs, these we can keep as pets. And what we do for pets? We will clean neatly, okay? We will wash them, we will do bath for them and we will take care of them such that our pets will be clean and neat. Why? Because the pets will be cats and dogs, no? So, our pets should be clean because they will roam here and there in our house. They will roam here and there in our house. So, we will take care of them. We will clean them by bathing them. Okay? So, pets will be clean. And these lizards, flies and rats, these are not our pets. These are not our pets. So we will not take care of them, and instead of we will get fear. We are scared of them. Okay, we are scared of them, and these are not good for our health also. Lizards, rats, cockroaches and flies, these are not good for our health. They cause us some diseases. For example, I will say you mosquitoes. Mosquitoes will cause malaria for us. So mosquitoes are not good for health. And cockroaches. Cockroaches, if they fall on our plate and if they roam here and there in our houses and they fall on our utensils, these causes food poison for us. This causes food poison for us, and these rats and cockroaches causes food poison for us. So these are not good for us. These are not good for us, and instead of they are giving us diseases, So it's not good to these give place for these flies and rats and cockroaches. So we have to get out them. Okay, we have to get out them. Okay. So what will you do for get outing them? We have to keep our house neat and clean. Okay, we have to keep our house neat and clean. So how these may occur? I mean, how these may come? Cockroaches. If we doesn't clean our kitchens, like we throw the dust in the kitchen only and we will not clean them. So for that the cockroaches will come. Okay. So we should clean the kitchen. And we will keep some poisons for rats also. We have to keep away because these rats are not good for us. They cause food poison. So we should. So for get outing them, we have to keep clean and neat. Okay, we have to keep our house clean and neat. So I will say some tips to keep house clean and neat. So tips with small methods or some ideas. Okay, tips to clean house neat and clean. So what are the tips? Sweep and clean the floor. Sweep and clean the floor with mop. That means every day you have to sweep the floor. So that what the dust is there on the floor will be eliminated or can be removed. Okay, so you have to sweep the floor and you have to clean also. How you will clean with the mop? You know mop? The mop you will dip in a water and you will clean the floor. Okay, so that the bacteria or anything present on the floor will be not be seen. It will be dying. Okay, so this is important one. And the second one is let the fresh air and sunlight enter your house. So let the fresh air and sunlight enter your house. What does it mean? So you have to open your windows in the early morning. So early morning will get a very fresh air and a nice sunlight. Okay. So you have to open the windows so that the fresh air. Actually, ventilation is must. What is ventilation? Ventilation means in your house there should be lighting and air. Okay. So what will happen if you close the windows. If you close all the windows and doors, ventilation will not be. That means you will get suffocation. That means you will breathe, no? You will breathe. Okay? You have a family. So in your family there will be 5 members or 6 members, okay, for example. So what will you do? You close all windows and doors so that you will breathe yourself only. So the fresh air, the air outside will not enter. So this is not good for us. We want oxygen. How oxygen will be? Plants will give oxygen, okay? Plants will give oxygen. That means plants will give the air. We need the air that plant gives us. Okay, so if you open the window and doors so that the fresh air the plant gives will enter our house. So that is very good for us. That is very good for us. It purifies our body. It is very important, okay? So the sunlight is also very important. The sunlight we will get some vitamins, okay? We will get some vitamins. So those are important for our health. Those are important for our health. So sunlight and fresh air are very good for health. So open the windows for some time in the morning. See children, remind one thing. Don't open the windows and doors in the evening times, okay? Open the doors in the early mornings and mornings only. Why? Because if you open the doors and windows in the evening time, the mosquitoes will enter. So, remind this. Don't open the door in the evening times after 5 or 6. Okay? So, next thing children. So you will get some, in windows, you will cover with some wire-like, mesh-like structure, okay? I mean, you will get some net. It is very, the holes are very thin. It's called as mosquito net, okay? It's made up of a wire and it's called as mosquito net. So cover your window with mosquito nets, okay? That is called as mosquito nets. So cover your window and doors with that so that the mosquitoes and flies cannot enter your house, okay? Mosquitoes and flies cannot enter your house. See, I have said you mosquitoes are very dangerous. Flies and mosquitoes are dangerous. They cause disease for us. Like mosquitoes cause malaria. For example, mosquito cause malaria. So we should not encourage the mosquitoes to come in. We should get out them. Okay, how will you get out? You have to keep the mosquito nets in your houses for doors and windows so that you can prevent yourself. And the next thing, children, the next tip you have to do is after returning back from your school, what will you do? You will take a bag and you have some tiffins also, right? Where will you keep that? You will throw here and there? No, you have to keep it one place. Where will you keep? You have to make a place for them. For a bag, for lunch box and for shoes. You have to make a place for them. And you have to keep daily in that place only. So that your house looks clean and neat. So don't throw here and there. Why? Because again they become dirty. After again in the early morning you have to use that only, right? So don't throw here and there. Keep in make a one place and keep that your things in a one place only. Maintain a one place. And next thing, the next tip is you will play with toys, right? You will play with toys. You have some toys, no? So after playing with toys, where will you put? Where will you keep them? You will throw here and there? No, you have to keep in a place after using them. You have to keep in a place where they are after using them. Don't throw here and there. Okay, you have to keep in a one place. Where you have to keep in one place itself. Okay, these are the tips I have said you. Please follow this. And not only that, I'll say you another thing. You will eat a food, right? You will eat a food. You will drink a water. and don't drink the water that is stored for many days. Okay, you are having a tanks. You have to clean the tanks also. Okay, you have to clean the tanks. Why? Because if the water is stored for many days, so some bacteria we cannot see that can be formed. That can be formed. Some fungus, bacteria, this can be formed. So we have to get rid of this. That means you have to protect from these. You have to keep the tanks neat and clean. And while drinking the water, you'll drink with a glass, right? So wash the glass before you drink. Wash the glass before you drink. And you will take any utensils, like you will take a bowl, you will take a spoon. So wash those all before eating. Why? Because we cannot see some minute, some small organisms will be present on the utensils also. So maintain this. This is the bad time. This is a bad time for us where the coronavirus is spreading and it's causing a disease, COVID. So please be safe, okay? Wash your hands properly. Wash your hands properly. Sanitize yourself. Sanitize yourself, okay? And please keep your surroundings neat and clean. Keep your surroundings neat and clean, and don't give shake hands, okay? Don't give shake hands and don't be close to anyone. So these are the things you have to follow in this time, okay? You have to be safe, children, and you are the children. You have to know these all. You have to know this all. So I have said you the tips to keep house neat and clean. Please maintain these tips and help your mothers. Don't torture your mothers, okay? Help your mothers, children, in keeping your house clean. And not only you, all your family members will be included in. All the family members will be included in keeping the house neat and clean. Why? Because keeping the house neat and clean is very important, so that we will be safe, or we will be protect ourselves from any diseases. Okay, not only during the festivals. Some people will only clean during the festivals. Not only during the festivals, you have to keep your house daily neat and clean. Okay, students. So we have finished the topic, a clean house. So from this you have known you have known the tips and how to keep your house clean and neat. Okay, students. Bye. Thank you. Okay, children, these are the tips. You have to note it down. Please note, or please write in your notebook, or you have given a Facebook, I have think. So please note this all down. And not only noting, you have to follow this also, okay? Because this is not a good time. This is not a good time. You have to follow this. So I have given you some points. Please note it down.